Er moet bijvoorbeeld nog een extra laadje in.
Ja.
Dus
ja, precies.
Hi everybody. Today me and Bart are demolishing a kitchen and preparing for some installation work. This is a job from Bart and he was gonna make a kitchen and I'm only here for the technical stuff. Right now the layout and the cabinet layout is established and I can mark some stuff like electrical and plumbing. So that's progressing nicely. We got the channels made for the electricals and some water lines got removed, and here is another one. It got a little bit messy with the glue, but that happens. So we did a lot of the installation, the electrics at least, and right now we are providing a small plaster layer to cover the tiles or the thin set of tiles, and then it's almost ready for the cabinets and such. So here you can see the electrical stuff and the plaster layer. We are back in the shop, and today and yesterday Bart made the under cabinets and the top shelf for the work table, and let me show you some details he made. It's really nice. Yeah.
ja, waar ik dus niet rekening mee had gehouden is dat
I'm here in front of the installation and waterworks. You might be wondering, why does it look like this? We have here the old connections, and I couldn't get them loose the way they attached, soldered on. So I had to connect this way and put it to the left for the space. There's the sink here, and the other line. This is the drain, and usually I try to keep this as high as possible, also with that one. And this is now okay for the cabinets. And upper part, the wall is nice and flat. It will be sanded, and today the other cabinets will be put here. So Bart will continue with his marvelous work. Right now the appliances are working and most of the installation is done. Next week Bart will make the front doors and the drawers and do other nice stuff, and I'm quite happy this is all finished, and I made Bart happy as well, so that's good. Look at this nice job here, and also milling the sink into the HPL birch ply, and we got this here, the installation. You might be wondering why this is so much in front. This nice Italian sink has only the option for this double stuff here to come in front, and in the back it's too narrow with all the other stuff we need. So it sticks out a bit far for to be perfect, but anyway, it will work. And here also, this will blow down here from a central point here, and that's nice. Right here, I'm in front of the kitchen island, and this got placed today. It's pretty nice, and also the front of the cabinets is in place for the kitchen. Let me show you. And also there is a hidden drawer here for your cutlery. On this side you have a bit of a bar section, and here the cabinet doors are in. And the outlets and the end panel.
Er moet bijvoorbeeld nog een extra laagje in.
Ja,
Dus
ja, precies.
een paar kleine dingen en dan zijn we er.
Nice.
Maar